Hey guys, it's Kierra. Today I'm going to be walking you through a quick and easy holiday makeup tutorial. The first thing I like to do when I am starting out any eye look is to give myself a good base. My eyelids get a little bit oily throughout the day, so I'm going to be taking my setting silk and applying it all over my eye area with my number 14 flat fluffy eyeshadow brush. What this is going to do is to really help mattify my eyes so that way my eyeshadow doesn't move around a lot throughout the day. Starting off with some shimmer, I'm using my white gold illuminator with the same brush, and I'm working that all over the eye area just like I did with the setting silk. I love using the white gold illuminator as an eyeshadow because it gives a slight shimmer that you can blend out if you don't want it to be too intense, and it is such a beautiful shade that works with every skin tone. So I am just working this all over my eye area and blending it out so we have a nice subtle shimmer, nothing too dramatic. Next, I'm using my Duke pressed eyeshadow to create a little bit of dimension with my eyes. So again, using the same brush, I'm just dipping that into the product, and I'm going to be working this mostly in my crease. When you're applying this, you want to use a nice sweeping motion back and forth in your crease, and you can build up that color as much as you like. If you'd like to keep things simple, you can add a couple coats of our 100% Lash Mascara and stop here. But if you'd like to take your look to the next level, keep watching. To take things to the next level, I'm starting with my damp number 4 brush. I'm going to be dipping this brush into my Merlot loose eyeshadow and creating a nice bold colored wing. So for this part, I'm starting with the line really close to my lash line. After you create your line, you can start your wing. I typically prefer a bold wing. So for my wing, I am starting a little higher and then just dragging the brush down to meet the line and building up that color. As you are creating your wing, just remember to take your time, and if you need to, you can keep wetting your brush. When you have a wet brush, it really helps to intensify the color. Or another thing you can do when you're starting with your Merlot eyeshadow is to go ahead and create a cream eyeshadow by adding a couple of drops of water in the lid and then using that to create your liner. Either way works. And moving on to the other eye, I am starting by creating that line, and then I will build into my wing. To finish off this holiday look, I'm going to be using a couple coats of our 100% Lash Mascara. What is really awesome about this holiday look is that it's great for pretty much every holiday. If you're going for the more simple version of this look, you can opt for a bolder lip choice. If you're going with the more bold version of this makeup look, you can have even more customizations like I did. Today I chose Merlot Pretty Balm to match my eyeliner to my lips. You can also customize the color liner that you choose depending on the holiday as well. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about this holiday look and whether or not you'll try it. We'll see you next time.